Encephalitis 2020, the team have had to combat and mitigate so many different hurdles because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
With the vigour and enthusiasm and ingenuity only known by the Encephalitis Society, we've still managed to make it work, presenting a conference virtually which is being accessed around the world. It's amazing the way this conference has grown.
Since I've been coming, I think it's about 3 years, it's progressed year on year.
The general quality of the science is now so good that this is pretty unarguably the most important scientific conference for encephalitis and the sort of scientific calendar.
Really, this is now the go-to encephalitis conference globally.
It's really important for all the people involved in encephalitis research and care to get together.
Really, this conference is unique in that it brings together people from the social sciences, from neuropsychology, neurology, immunology, across this whole spectrum.
All research is meant to be shared, and of course when you do have people coming together, inspiring each other, then that benefits patients ultimately, because it can lead to research which can really make a difference to their lives. So I am one of, I think, about 8 people in the audience today. We're socially distanced enough that we can take our masks off. There's a lot of camaraderie with the people who are here. I come for the science, but there's also an awful lot of colleagues and friends who are here, so it's really nice to come catch up with people.
It's great to see people in vivo, in the living. It's run far more smoothly than I anticipate it might have done. I think we've had great questions, great speakers.
I think it's still well done how we can still interact with the speakers.
I thought it was going to be a nightmare, but it's actually turned out to be fantastic. And that's all down to Ava and her great team and the team here at the Royal College, which have helped keep us organised and keep us on track.
I think we're really pleased with the way that things have gone. The team couldn't have worked harder, and we're just so grateful to everybody who's supported us from around the world. Well, I'd really like to say a massive thank you to our sponsors and exhibitors without whom this conference cannot happen. I hope in 2021 that we'll be able to be back in person, as well as offering digital opportunities for people to join us.
I think it's sort of highly significant that this conference is happening today, on the day that the first patient worldwide is being vaccinated against COVID-19, because hopefully we'll be able to look back at today as a kind of turning point, and maybe in 2021 we can be talking about all the good things that have happened in the year since.